Welcome to Speedy K's additional auto detailing packages link. This video is to help you out and kind of guide you through a little bit of some of the services additionally that we have listed within our website, just to kind of give you some helpful tips. If you have additional questions or can't find this on our website, these videos are here to help you. So Speedy K also provides you with professional pinstriping and graphics. What this means is we can get you any pinstriping, graphics, and or whatever you may be looking for your auto or recreational transportation. We also do 3M guard protection. What that means is where the bottom areas of the vehicle may have some areas where stones fly up or may chip those lower areas, and or where you're stepping into your vehicle. We also do events and shows where you're stepping into the vehicle and you need custom covers or matting for customers to look inside the autos or recreational, depending upon what type of show it is. We also offer professional restoration, buffing, paint correction service, or we call it connoisseur service, where we come out and fully restore the finish of your vehicle if the vehicle has been neglected or damaged through a lot of automatic car washes. We also offer interior Scotch guarding packages, custom built, of course, fleet detailing packages, which you'll also find this link here, and on our custom fleets and company auto and recreational detailing packages. We offer gold plating packages. We also perform heavy brake dust, road tar, and tree sap removal, and also insurance claims. Many times, sometimes even with the road tar or tree sap, whatever it may be from any type of fallout, you may be able to provide this through your insurance company if it's this heavily damaged. So we also offer insurance claims and paint correction, odor elimination, and many other different types of insurance claims that we help out within auto and recreational services. We also do paint chip repair, dent repair, and scratch repair. Depending upon how many scratches you have, we can either do one particular area or the whole vehicle if the vehicle has been heavily scratched from automatic car washes or improper washing. We also offer yearly packages, headlight restoration if your headlights are fading, dulling, and or just scratched up. We also offer these types of services. So if there's a type of service here within the professional auto and recreational detailing services that you do not see here, please do call your local Speedy K's and they'll be more than happy to help you out. If you don't get through, please do leave a voice message. Someone will call you back either within that business day or the next business day, depending upon the time you called. You may also submit a form on our Contact Us link form on our website and submit it that way too as well, and or schedule an appointment directly on our website.